Okay, I'm back with part 2 of our sewing book, and I decided for the first felt page I glued a doily with a little flower in the center on the inside cover, and then for this page I decided I took 2 little strips of felt, cut them to the size of my lace, and added a couple of these little flowers to the corners. And I decided to make 2 of those and then put some of this lace going down the edge of the page, and I'm going to stick sewing needles into there. That's a great place to keep some sewing needles. So let's do that. Okay, so we have our piece of lace going down, and the next thing we want to do is we want to glue our 2 little felt pieces onto the page. I think I want it about right there. I want to make sure I get it straight. And then I want to center this one with that one. Make sure I get them even. So now we have that, and we can put our needles in there. Let me go get the glue off my fingers. That glue from Dollar Tree just sticks so bad to my fingers. I've never had a hot glue that does like that before, but that glue does, but it's so stinking cheap. You know how much glue we use. So let's go put some needles in there. Put a variety of sizes. Let's see, we put one this big. And the reason I add the little piece is so that I can stick it in there without it going into this piece and coming through to the next page. See, it doesn't come through. So let's put a variety of sizes into there. We'll put the larger ones and then go down to the smaller ones. Okay, so now we have that that page done, and I love the way that it came out. So that looks really nice. Okay, I think I want to put a place for, we need a place for buttons, we need a place for lace, we need a place for some safety pins, just all those fun things that we use when we're sewing. Let's see. Well, I moved some of my stuff and now I'm having trouble finding it. Okay, I've decided to put some of this lace going down this page. And cut off that excess. And I think that I'm going to put a doily here so that I can hang safety pins on it. I think that would be a great idea. Got my safety pins here, and I'm just going to pin this on because she can take it off and use it if she wants to use it, and then use this page for something else if she wants to. But I think it would be fun to pin some little safety pins here. And we can pin them. I'm sliding my finger down between so that I can get my little pins in between there. And then it doesn't show where we've pinned it. Okay. Okay. And I think on this side we'll put some of the bigger pins. Not sure yet. Actually, I think I will put it through the center of this one. Okay. So now we have our needles, we have our safety pins, and we have a pocket for our scissors. And we have our stick pins. The next thing I think I want to do is I want to print out for these 2 pages some little things for some buttons to go on that I can put here and put here. And then I'm not sure what I want to do here yet. Let's see. We have our needles, our safety pins, our stick pins, our scissors, buttons, and we still have this page, this page, this. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages that we can decorate. So, yeah, that's where we're at right now. And I think I'm going to add some beads onto these safety pins to dress it up a little bit. So I'll do that and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back, and this is what we have so far. We have our cover. Get that cord out of the way. We have our first page with the doily and the flower. We have our needles, the sewing needles. We have some pins, and I went back and added some beads to give her some beads. We still need to decorate this page. On this page, I added a bag, and I filled it full of all different kinds of buttons and just all kinds of little goodies. Looks like I got a key in there. Let me get that out. That does not go in there. Untie it. See what that is. Okay, we'll pull that out. And let me get all of that goodness back down into there. Okay. And let's tie that closed. We do not want it to come undone in shipping. And slide it back up in there. And she can keep these there, or she can put some lace there, or, you know, whatever she wants to there. Because this is what it looks like when that's not in there. So we have a bag full of goodies there. We have our pins. We have another safety pin. We have some lace with, I have a safety pin, and I glued this beautiful flower on it. It's a rather large safety pin. So I gave her some lace. She can unpin the lace and take it off of the pin and use it. Thought that would be a fun way to add some lace to the book. And so we have these 2 pages to decorate, and then we have this one where she can put a small pair of scissors. So that's what we have so far. I've got to go and put our closure here, which is going to be some seam binding and some of this lace. But I still want to decorate these 2 pages, but I'm going to pull this out while we do that. And I think, I just don't know what I want to put here. I think I want another pocket. Another pocket would be nice because I could stick some laces and different things like that down into there. Or I could make I think I want to put that onto there. Dress that up, I think, a little bit, but I'm not sure. I could put a couple of strips of lace across. Just not sure what I want to put on that page. We've got our bag of buttons that goes here. We've got our pins, we've got our lace. We've got this page to decorate, this page to decorate, and this page to decorate. We've got a pocket here. Let's put a piece of this lace going down on here. I think that would be very pretty. Just do not know what I want to do. So let me pause and think about it a little bit, and I'll come back. This is part 2.